So something that our agency is able to do that we were not able to do before is, the use of AI helps us with proper documentation. It allows us to be more efficient. As you know, AI this is a big topic in this year's Connect, and a big topic throughout the healthcare system, right? And so, because Albuquerque Ambulance is so busy, we run 100 to 100,000 calls a year. We have to have tools that help our crews be efficient and effective, and hopefully take some of that workload off of them, so that they can focus on patient care, taking care of critical patients.
The AI-assisted feature is actually very beneficial for our medical directors, so they don't have to really learn how to do the nit-and-gritty report writing. In our current platform, they would have to figure out how to do the SQL query and put it into Crystal reports, or worse yet, they would ask me to do it. But with this, they could just ask a normal natural language question to the platform and get an honest result.
We have a very young department, and I think majority of our members will be very excited about the AI aspect of what's coming out with ImageTrend. I think they are very technologically savvy, and they can use things like AI probably a lot better than I can even. So they'll be able to be pretty excited for it and be able to use it to help them finish their reports accurately and get all the data that we need, because if we're not getting the good data in, then we're not going to be able to get the good data out to give back to them and drive our training and other things like that.
ImageTrend has allowed us to use AI. That's really probably the biggest one that I would say that is most convenient. On the documentation side and the report writing side, we're able to generate better reports. And as the saying goes, your department is only as good as the data says you are. And I have not seen another platform out there that's as good as ImageTrend at being able to pull the data and the information we need to evaluate where we're at.
Well, ImageTrend goes through a very thorough process as far as using the Microsoft containerized AI. So it's not like you're doing your traditional ChatGPT models. It's all in a very specialized environment that doesn't reach back out and is not used for training. So ImageTrend does have a pretty rigorous AI ethics policy, so they tend to adhere to that. From our standpoint, I'm a big proponent of AI, especially in the ways that it can assist us. So I think that, AI is the way of the future, and any charting platform that's not using AI is not a next-gen platform.
The ability to scan documents and all of that information be put into the appropriate fields. And so that really reduces the whole charting and clicking and potentially getting something incorrect on the chart. So that's been really successful with that team.
So one of the biggest things that my agency is thrilled about is how ImageTrend has actually gone full steam ahead with the integration of AI, not in just two pieces and parts, but full ecosystem, which again, something is my agency in Portsmouth, we have done the same with Copilot, ChatGPT, and a couple other large learning models to try and get into that more efficiency. So I tie that back that I'm actually using AI in the billing aspect. Before ImageTrend offered anything, I was using Gemini to search for, show me a business address that got listed as a patient address to help catch those before they became a billing issue type thing. So I'm really excited how talking with ImageTrend's integrations team, and like I said, with the AI, of just their vision didn't stop with one phase. They even have a future and a future and a more future. And I think that's what truly excites me, is that you guys don't stop innovating. You're not happy. ImageTrend isn't just happy going, okay, here's your scheduling platform and that's it. No, we're now getting better. We as an ImageTrend, which means now we as the agencies, we're getting better.